Understanding Flatline, a comprehensive guide. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to delve into the world of English phrases and idioms, and we will focus on unraveling the meaning behind the term flatline. This is a word that you might have come across in movies, TV shows, or in everyday conversations. And today, we're here to clear up any confusion and help you understand how to use it correctly. So, let's get started. Flatline originally comes from medical terminology. In a medical context, when a patient's heart stops beating, the line on the heart monitor goes flat, indicating no heart activity. This is referred to as flatlining. So, essentially, the word flatline describes a situation where there is no progress, no activity, or no signs of life. Over time, flatline has made its way into everyday language and is now commonly used in a metaphorical sense. When someone says that a project, a relationship, or anything else is flatlining, they mean that it is failing, stagnating, or not showing any signs of progress or improvement. Example 1. If a new product is not selling well in the market, a person might say, "The product is flatlining," meaning it is not doing well and might fail soon. Example 2. If someone's career is not progressing, they might say, "My career has flatlined," indicating a lack of progress or success. Using flatline in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage. 1. After a promising start, the negotiations have completely flatlined. 2. The patient was doing well, but suddenly he flatlined, and the doctors had to revive him. 3. The TV show's ratings have flatlined, and it might get cancelled soon. In each of these sentences, flatline is used to express a lack of progress or a sudden stop in activity. It's important not to confuse flatline with phrases that have a more positive connotation. For instance, flat out means to do something with maximum effort, which is entirely different from flatline. Incorrect. His career is flatlining because he works flat out. Correct. Even though he works flat out, his career seems to be flatlining. Thank you for watching today's video on the meaning and usage of flatline. We hope this has helped clarify any doubts you might have had and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your everyday English. Remember, learning idioms and phrases is a great way to enrich your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!